behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
First launch in Autonomous comes from the red side of the field, but it's followed up immediately by Blue. 325, Respawn Robotics in Blue going for additional notes autonomously. Their alliance partner Control Z underneath the Blue Alliance stage. And we were all tied up right there at the end of Autonomous, but an additional note got counted for 5 points right at the end of Auto for the Blue Alliance, bringing their score to 24-22. Right away for Red, the Beak Squad, they are working on the amp, trying to bank up notes to either use toward cooperation or use toward amplification. Red spends one for co-op right away. Now they've got the ones they need to start their amplification. Alliance partner Martin Motion, 6237 for the Red Alliance. They've got a note up in their speaker. Operation Orange and the Beak Squad, both of those robots able to score in the speaker as well. They did amplify down on the red side of the field. Let's see if the Beak Squad can score their note before that amplification period ends. 33 points on the board at the moment, but that amp time will expire before it gets up into the speaker. They shift their strategy, go toward the amp instead to start banking toward their next amplification period. Looking over at Blue, Control Z 4096, they spy a note right in front of the driver station wall. Very difficult for drive teams to see those notes that get right in front of that diamond plate in front of them. That note goes up into the speaker for the Blue Alliance. Their alliance partner Respawn, they're out of the source zone. Leaving that source zone is Disruptive Innovation from Davenport. They get the second note through the amp, ready to do amplification just as a Red Alliance amplification period expires. Control Z and Respawn, both of those robots are ready to score in the speaker, and a note gets shredded as it leaves Control Z's manipulator. One note was scored up top during that Blue Alliance amplification period for 5 points. 325 tries to get another. 46 points on the board. It was counted for 2 just outside of that amplification period. The Beak Squad, with their remarkably creative trap mechanism, they do get their first trap note scored. That's 5 points for the Red Alliance. 15 seconds remaining. 1 point of separation between these teams. 144 Op Orange, they go up top for 2 more points as their 2 alliance partners start to climb on stage in the final seconds of match number 51. 5 points, so give it up for the Red Alliance taking the victory by 3, 64-61. They're in qualification match number 51. Both alliances, they broke that note threshold for the melody, so they each earn 1 additional bonus.